Hello and welcome to another edition of Sparky Help. This time, master a relay to indicate stop or start. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. So this is a short video just to show how a load could be indicated as on or off, or run or stop. So here we have a load with an isolator. It could be single phase, three phase, doesn't really matter, just a load that's going to turn off. We're going to use a relay. So a relay is effectively an electromechanical device which has effectively got a two-way switch inside it, or multiples of. I've just shown one, that's all we need. And we have a normally closed and a normally open contact. All these terminals will be numbered, and we have two coil connections. The coil connections we're going to connect off of the load itself, like so. And all of this could be in one enclosure. And we need two lights or something to indicate, and for this purpose I'm going to put two 12-volt lamps in. We need a power supply then, because it's a 12-volt lamp and not a 230 or a 400-volt or 110-volt supply. I've got something different. And we need a power supply for that. And we connect it up with as such. So there we have a supply, an alternative supply, and we go into effectively the common of that relay. And in the normally closed we connect to one lamp, and on the normally open we connect to the opposite lamp. Obviously the negative conductor, or the neutral if you want to do it AC, goes back and commons up back to the negative or the neutral of it. And obviously if we now put power onto all of this, that lamp there, which would be the stop lamp because the supply is turned off to the load, but that lamp will be on because it's permanently powered through the normally closed contact. And then when you turn on the load, it will operate the relay and the switch will go into the opposite position and therefore indicate the run or on. So there we go. This is a very simple way of putting it on or off, or a start and a run onto a machine. Now you're probably thinking, well, what if the relay is away from this? Then obviously from the load itself you'll want to fuse down, so we put a fuse in the supply there so we can now run smaller cables out, because this now becomes effectively an auxiliary supply. Other methods are available. Don't need a battery, don't need any other source, could have come off the original supply. Whatever you wish to do. I hope that's been useful. Really simple to use. This is Sparky Help. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.